Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're making green Hatch chili and feta cheese stuffed turkey breast on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. The first thing that we want to do is set up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill for roasting, so here's how we do that. We want to set our Memphis Wood Fire Grill to 375 degrees, and I like to use apple pellets for this cook. The Memphis grill is now up to temperature, so now it's time to trim and prepare the turkey breast. So here are the steps that we need to take. With a small knife, you want to cut along the bone and just carefully slice away the breast. Then you want to do the same thing with the other side of the turkey breast. Remove the carcass, lay the turkey breast flat. Then you want to flip the turkey breast over and carefully remove the skin as well. We want to set aside the skin because we're going to use it a little bit later. We're going to flip over the turkey breast again, then holding the blade of the knife parallel to the board, slice into the thickest portion of the breast, cut along the length of the breast but not all the way through. Then unfold so the turkey opens like a book. Then we're going to cover the turkey breast with some plastic cling wrap. Then you want to pound it all over with a meat mallet until the turkey has uniform thickness. So the turkey breast is now prepared, and the last thing that we want to do before we throw it in the Memphis grill is to prepare the stuffing. First, we want to season the turkey breast with a green Hatch chili rub. I like the one from our friends You're Behind Barbecue. Then you want to whisk together a 1/4 cup of olive oil with 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, and 3 tablespoons of oregano. We also want to add 1 tablespoon of adobe seasoning. Then you want to stir this thoroughly, and then you want to spread this on top of the turkey breast. Then we want to add a layer of some green Hatch chili, chopped. Make sure that you cover the entire turkey breast. Last but not least, we're going to add about 4 to 6 ounces of crumbled feta cheese as well. We want to carefully grab one end of the turkey breast with 2 hands and then carefully roll it up into a log. Then we want to wrap the turkey breast with a turkey skin, and then we want to tie it together tight with some butcher twine. We also want to season it all over with our Big Swede BBQ Badass Bird Boost or your favorite turkey seasoning. The stuffed turkey breast is ready for the grill, so let's put it in. Place the stuffed turkey breast in the Memphis Wood Fire Grill, and then we're going to cook it at 375 for about an hour to an hour and a half until you reach a desired inner temperature of 165 degrees. It's been about an hour. The turkey breast is sitting at 165 degrees. Now it's time to remove it from the Memphis grill and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to slice it into slices, and then this stuffed turkey breast is ready to serve. That is how I make my green Hatch chili and feta stuffed turkey breast on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grills YouTube channel or check out their website, memphisgrills.com, for more fun recipes like this one. And I think the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. Smells pretty darn good. Let's see how it tastes. Crispy skin, great flavors, a little bit of heat from the Hatch chili, but not too much. Very well balanced. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.